Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something super cool, GPT, one of the latest advancements in artificial intelligence. But don't worry, even if you don't know much about AI, I'm gonna break it down in the simplest way possible. So let's start with the basics. What does GPT stand for? It stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Generative GPT creates or generates things, like text by itself. Think of it as an AI that can write, chat, and even help with homework. Pre-trained. Before GPT starts helping you, it's trained using tons of information, books, websites, and other texts. Transformer. This is the type of technology that makes GPT work so fast and smart. Now that we know what GPT is, what can it actually do? Write essays and stories? Need help writing an essay for school? GPT can do that. Answer questions? You can ask GPT almost any question like, what's the capital of France? And it will give you smart answers. Help with coding. GPT can even assist with simple coding. Translate languages. You can ask GPT to translate languages like English to Spanish. Hola, ¿cómo estás? The latest version of GPT is even smarter, faster, and better at understanding complex questions. Better conversations. The latest GPT is better at having conversations that feel natural. But like all technology, GPT isn't perfect. Sometimes it can give wrong answers or misunderstand what you mean. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.